Hello everybody, how are you doing this beautiful, fine, glorious day? Today I'm reminded of the thoughts of an innocent child. I'm not talking about those teenagers or young adolescents or even the generation of their 20s or more. I'm talking about the ones that are really being observant, patient, aware, heightened intuition, if you will. I wanted to bring this to your attention because this was brought to me from a near and dear individual, only 12 years young. And I'd love it to share it with you as I feel it's pretty powerful and one of those key nuggets that you will take with you after this video. But before further ado, I encourage you to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out this link above, for I am in a work in progress with my website, but I've got amazing projects and events coming down the pipe for the second half of 2022. All right, this was the magical moment and quote that was shared with me. Ready? When you begin to understand the true meaning of life, you will begin to understand how life works. Boom. When I heard this quote and understanding the source, the context, the affliction, and the passion behind it, I was blown away. It truly taps into our intuitiveness at such a young age that we lose sight of based on constant external influences. How many of you are still binge watching Netflix or watching the news and the up and coming struggles that you actually have solutions to if connected with the right people? This tells me that our young individual and up and coming generations are truly tapped in. They're aware. They don't understand the chaos. They don't understand the confusion. They don't understand the divide and conquer mindset. Go to a schoolyard and watch from afar, respectively, and see how individuals act. I'm reminded of where it all stems from, the home. On the playground, in a theme park, in a theater, even in the pool, community pool. You see everyone of all different shapes, sizes, colors, beliefs, as well as their dreams. Why have we lost sight of that? When did we go from looking as a human race to as an isolated individual? When did we change our thoughts and our minds and stop looking at one of another as a benefit to each other, an asset, an ally, an assistant? We to be mindful of how we are looking and viewing ourselves within this community as a whole, whether it be in your school, in your town, in your state, in your continent, country, even where you stand in the world. I think it is an amazing observation that this quote was brought to my attention from a young individual. It sparks intellect, imagination, innovation, as well as conformity to see that we are all made from the same creator. But when we understand our true mission, our true calling, our true purpose, that's when we matter most. I want you to take this quote and take it to heart. And remember, when you begin to understand the true meaning of life, you will begin to understand how life works. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea, and I'll see you in the next video. Be well.